tree structures, hierarchy diagrams, org charts, basically anything that branches. You can now turn all of these into a visual in seconds with just ChatGPT. Let me show you. You've got two paths. The first one makes the AI do all the research for you. It's perfect for general knowledge topics or anytime you need to explain something to someone. Open ChatGPT. Run the prompt shown on your screen and replace what's in brackets with the topic you wish to explain and your audience. Be as specific as possible. Don't just type Roman army. Instead, say East Roman Army and Navy 900 AD and onwards, including elite units and command structure. When the output is ready, read everything. If something looks off, just tell the AI to fix it before moving on. Next, in the same chat, follow up with the second prompt. Now, you gotta change the type to whatever icon style you like. You can go from cartoon and doodle sketches to 3D clay and Pixar. Let's try isometric. Before you run it, remember to enable Create Image and set the size to 16:9. Give it a few seconds and you are set. Cool result, right? See, the branches are pretty clear and the visuals look exactly as described. But if you don't like how the icons look, just rerun the prompt with a different style. Finally, if you want an alternative background color compared to the default creme one, run this third prompt. All you need to do is change color 1 and color 2 to the color or colors you prefer. Wow, this actually looks even better, right? But what if you already have the required information? This brings us to method 2. Method 2 is for when you already have the information, like a document, a report, some meeting notes, basically real work stuff. Here is what you need to do. First, upload your file. Whatever you want to turn into a tree diagram. Then, run the prompt shown on your screen. Heads up, it's different from the previous one. When the AI is done analyzing the file, run the second prompt we used earlier. Like before, you gotta pick your icon style. I'm gonna try 3D clay this time. And voila, here is the output. Awesome, isn't it? Imagine how much time this can save you, and it also works with YouTube videos too. As always, you can find all the prompts in the link at the pinned comment below. And while you are there, drop a comment and a like. It really helps. If your job involves explaining things to others, onboarding a new hire, walking a client through how something works, teaching a topic to your students, this is the fastest way to make something complicated actually click. In seconds. Now, if you prefer timelines over tree structures, I also got a full guide covering everything from A to Z. Links on your screen. Until the next time, see you.